on today?
Hi, I'm Jude. I'm usually behind the camera, but today I'll be in front of it. If you're like me and you don't know how to cook, then you can't go wrong with these easy snacks we're going to make. We're going to make microwave popcorn and easy Italian sodas.
Let's get started. You can find the recipes below. First, pour 2 tablespoons of popcorn kernels into a paper bag. Fold it twice and crease it at the top. Then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Take it out carefully when it's done and watch out for the steam so it doesn't burn you. Always ask an adult to use the microwave before using the microwave.
Alright. So open it away from me.
And then put half a tablespoon of butter in a microwave safe dish in the microwave for about 15 seconds.
Alright.
Ours is already ready.
Yep. So put it in. This is really fun. Popcorn is one of my favorite snacks.
Mine too. Is it melted all the way?
Yep, completely.
Great. And then you pour half of it, and then we're going to pour half of it over the popcorn, and then put some seasoning on.
Ooh, I like ranch.
That's a good one. And then you shake it a few times. Good. Then pour the rest of the butter and a little bit more seasoning.
Alright. Do we shake it again?
Yep. That's good. That's how you make microwave popcorn.
Alright,
Pour it into a bowl if you want.
let's do this. And then we can get on to our next treat, Italian sodas.
Whoa. That made good batch. Now we're going to make Italian sodas. They're fun to make for a family or for a party. Put 3 pumps of flavoring into a cup.
Go.
Now put a 4th cup of ice in. Then fill the cup about halfway with seltzer water. Now you can put about 2 tablespoons of creamer or half and half into the cup. And then you can put some whipped cream on top. It's really good.
Ooh, I love whipped cream. I'm going to shake it up a little bit so that all the flavors go.
Then get a straw and enjoy. You can mix it around to mix in the flavoring too.
Perfect.
Can you make me one too with raspberry?
Sure.
Thanks.
I want to recommend this fun book, Cooking Class, for inspiration for the popcorn we made today. It has plenty of other fun recipes that you should definitely check out. Click below to subscribe.
See you next time on Cooking Up Fun with Sophie.
And Jude.